Hi everyone, in this video we learn camera follow system. Let's start. Select main camera. Then add camera controller script. And open up. I'm gonna write the camera follow code inside late update. Late update is called after all update functions have been called. You can take a look to understand the logic of the lower method. Drag and drop the player to target slot. Make sure the camera is at the front so that it can see all the objects. When we increase the smooth value, the camera follow speed increases. You can change the position of the camera relative to the player by changing the post offset values. Okay, let's see the smooth dump method, which is another method we can use for the camera follow system. When we increase the smooth value, the camera follow speed decreases. I will continue to publish videos about 2D game making on my channel. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.